Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 173. AMD software installed cannot proceed as no AMD graphics hardware has been detected your system. So here possible cause: AMD software installer has detected that current system does not contain AMD GPU and terminated the installation. So here, ensure that your graphic card is correctly installed and recognized by the operating system. You have to search about this. You can go to the DXDiag first. You can hold Windows R and run DXDiag and click OK. And go to the display tab. Make sure your device is read in here. Maybe AMD Radeon Vega 8 graphics in here, or just AMD Radeon or Vega here. If there is not there is no GPU in here, it means you have to check out the hardware. So also check Windows Device Manager for possible conflicts. So you can open Device Manager, and maybe there is a conflict here, possible conflict. Problem device will be indicated with the yellow bang here, yellow icon, and I'm using the APU, and if there is trouble, there is a yellow bang icon on the processors or from your display driver or display tab here. This one, display adapter. So feel free to try to fix your problem, fix this error 173. Maybe there is a problem with your hardware. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.